Hi Hector, I'm Amy, and please check. This is your radio. This is the UI you want. But we in the inner we make another 3 UIs. You can download by yourself. After the connect the Wi-Fi, you can download. And this one, your customers can change by themselves. Please see. This is another UI. And you can change by yourself. Here, maybe this one, download. And then OK. Please check. This is another UI. Now I will change the one you choose. And then OK. This is the one you choose.